Education Finland is a public-private cluster program. It's a governmental program operating under our Ministry of Education and Culture.
We think in Finland, obviously, that education lays the rules and the ground for developing society and working life altogether. So this is why we pay such a lot of attention to continuously developing our education system. And I think this is the big message: equal opportunities for everybody and keep on developing the whole system at all times.
So maybe Finland can bring some points also to Switzerland, especially in the field of public-private collaboration, education and innovations, modernization of education system, and maybe some new aspects to schools and classrooms.
Finland would love to be a partner in education with others, and for that we are willing to share our know-how, and we are looking for others who are willing to engage with us, to share their know-how or use what we have at our disposal. We have a very large number of actors in Finland who are engaged in international cooperation, and they all stand ready to engage in transnational cooperation.
Worlddidac is a great place to find partners. We are looking for universities, private institutes to collaborate with us as a content providers and distributors locally. We are doing online because this is what we are special. So we are unique. MIF Academy is unique because we are pioneering global online education with AI learning environment.
Planet is an online learning solution that utilizes artificial intelligence, and why we are different and how we are different is that we believe that learners should be supported to be successful and enjoy what they're doing when they are learning. And the purpose of really engaging them into this sort of motivational process is to make sure that everybody is successful, everybody is, has a chance to become what they really want to be through learning. So simple as that, we help educators and training companies equally well, just to make sure that people learn better.